Hello everyone, welcome back to my AI channel. I am Dr. Bill Morgan, your trusted AI guide for the future of business. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: top business ideas for women in 2025. If you're a woman dreaming of financial independence or starting your own venture, stay tuned till the end, because these ideas are future-ready, profitable, and can be started with low investment. Before we jump into the list, let's understand one thing. 2025 is the era of AI, digital skills, and creativity. Businesses that combine technology with personal touch are going to explode. Now let's talk about the best opportunities waiting for women in 2025. Women with writing, designing, or video editing skills can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and video generators to launch their own content creation agency. From Instagram Reels to YouTube scripts, AI makes it easier, faster, and highly profitable. Fashion, jewelry, and handmade crafts are always in demand. In 2025, with AI-driven platforms, women can set up personalized online stores that recommend products to customers automatically, making shopping smarter and more engaging. If you have expertise in fitness, cooking, parenting, beauty, or even personal finance, you can launch your own online coaching program. AI tools will help you design courses, manage clients, and even market your brand globally. Brands and small businesses are struggling to grow online. Women who understand trends can become AI-powered social media consultants, helping clients create viral posts, ads, and campaigns. Low investment, high demand. Wellness is becoming a trillion-dollar industry. Women can start apps or online services focusing on mental health, yoga, diet planning, or meditation, with AI assistants giving personalized advice to clients 24/7. From graphic design to virtual assistants, women can use AI to offer services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The beauty of freelancing is, you decide your hours, your income, and your clients. So ladies, 2025 is not just about starting a business, it's about starting smart with AI. Remember, you don't need to do everything alone. AI can be your partner, your assistant, and your marketing team, all in one. What you need is creativity, consistency, and confidence. If you found these ideas inspiring, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to your channel name, and share this video with a friend who's planning to start her own business in 2025. Drop a comment below telling me which business idea excited you the most. I'd love to know.